Hey guys, welcoming back again to this new video on one known as face recognition. Now I remember showing my previous actually 3 videos back where I happened to explain to you how we happen to use one known as face recognition, went to one known as video tracking, webcam face detection, and also even went and also look onto one known as face recognition with the landmark. Now we are looking at at the moment one as face recognition with expression. Now with face recognition with expression means how the person tends to appear in the given video. I mean how the face of a person tends to appear. Was he annoyed? Was he happy or surprised? Like if you try to look at the moment, if I just maybe tend to laugh, when I tend to laugh, maybe tend to show that maybe I'm happy, and maybe by surprise kind of show that maybe I'm surprised now. So the video tend to detect down here how a given person tends to maybe to appear. Now this one tends to be like kind of we combine neurons with a little bit of math and we blend into our JavaScript given application or into our JavaScript. Then we tend to give focus to one on us our webcam, so that the webcam tends to pick all this information from the JavaScript sent by the HTML5 from the canvas, and then tends to give it to one on us the web browser, which then will pick the webcam of a given maybe a PC or a laptop. So that's what I'm going to simply implement at the moment. Then I happen to add one on us the expression down on the codes, which then makes this kind of the expression part of it in the program. This one tends to detect what maybe if it's like maybe if it was maybe and I simply say maybe if it was like supermarket, how did you tend maybe to handle your customer if that's the case? If maybe having an organization, the impression person tends to get from you, it will be actually be shown down or displayed down on a given video. That implies if the video was recorded, you can detect how the people came in. Were they annoyed? Were they happy? What was the expression they went up with? So guys, that's it. I may not talk much more, but I'm going to give you down on this link. You can speak.
For example.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you find it interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. See down below. I'm going to send you the codes down. I'm going to send you the link where you can tend to get to know how to to provide how you can start up the development, how you can configure it offline, because I'm using it on my XAMPP. So you can configure it down on offline and then you use the application on any of your platforms. So guys, thank you for subscribing, for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment down. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.